Whatever there is in the heavens and the earth glorifies Allah. To him belongs all sovereignty, and to him belongs all praise, and he has power over all things. 1. It is he who created you. Then some of you are faithless, and some of you are faithful, and Allah watches what you do. 2. He created the heavens and the earth with consummate wisdom, and he formed you and perfected your forms, and toward him is your destination. 3. He knows whatever there is in the heavens and the earth, and he knows whatever you hide and whatever you disclose, and Allah knows best what is in your breasts. 4. Has there not come to you the account of those who were faithless before? They tasted the evil consequence of their conduct, and there is a painful punishment for them. 5. That was because their apostles would bring them manifest proofs, but they said, "Will humans be our guides?" So they disbelieved and turned away, and Allah had no need of their faith, and Allah is all-sufficient, all-laudable. 6. The faithless claim that they will not be resurrected. Say, "Yes, by my Lord, you will surely be resurrected. Then you will surely be informed of what you did, and that is easy for Allah." 7. So have faith in Allah and His Apostle, and the light which we have sent down, and Allah is well aware of what you do. 8. When He will you bring you together for the day of gathering, it will be a day of privation and regret. As for those who have faith in Allah and act righteously, He shall absolve them of their misdeeds and admit them into gardens with streams running in them, to remain in them forever. That is the great success. Audio by Learn Urdu with Momina Batool Online Academy.